Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a full backup of files and the database so you can restore if anything breaks. Once done, switch the site to a stable default theme like 2023. This prevents lockouts. Make sure to deactivate custom CSS, widgets, and theme-specific plugins so settings don't disappear unexpectedly. Also export or copy custom templates and PHP snippets. You'll need them if you migrate or rebuild. These first steps protect site integrity and let you remove the theme safely. From the dashboard, go to Appearance, pick your default theme and activate it. This ensures the active theme is not being removed. Next, open the theme screen, locate the target theme, click Details and choose Delete, confirm when prompted. Once deleted, inspect widgets and menus because items tied to the removed theme may be unassigned. Reassign them as needed. Also open the customizer to verify site identity, header, and footer settings survived. These middle steps finalize removal without breaking layout. If the dashboard fails, connect via FTP or your host file manager and remove WP content/themes/your theme folder. This cleans leftover files. Once removed, clear all caches, plugin, server, and CDN, and resave permalinks to rebuild rewrite rules. If you encounter errors or white screens, enable WP debug to see messages, check the PHP error log, and restore the backup if necessary. A single key troubleshooting tip: roll back with your backup immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.